You don't need a finance degree to manage your money like the top 1%. You don't even need to love numbers. What you actually need is a simple, structured roadmap. By the end of this exercise, you will have built a custom 50-30-20 financial dashboard. This tool will definitively prove whether you are actively building wealth or slowly bleeding money month to month. To set this up right now, gather 3 things: your most recent payslip, 12 months of your bank statements, and a blank spreadsheet. We start here because without confronting the raw data of your current financial state, any attempt to budget is relying entirely on guesswork. Step 1 is calculating your exact yearly net income. Take the final number from your monthly payslip, multiply it by 12, and add irregular income like side hustles. You must use your net income, the money landing in your bank account after taxes. Using gross salary breaks the math. Now that we have the capital coming in, we calculate your yearly expenses by compiling your yearly expenses. You have to calculate your expenses on a full 12-month timeline. Looking at your spending on a strict month-to-month basis guarantees your dashboard will eventually fail. A yearly view captures the hidden costs that slip through the cracks of a monthly budget. Things like your annual insurance renewals, sudden car repairs, or holiday gifts. Subtract your total yearly expenses from your net income to reveal your financial baseline. If negative, you're operating in a deficit and accumulating debt. If positive, you have a surplus, the exact capital used to buy back your time and freedom. Calculating this exact gap is the single required step to transition from feeling busy with your money to actually taking control of it. With your baseline established, we apply a 50-30-20 framework to categorize every dollar of your monthly take-home pay. Exactly half of your income goes to fundamental needs, like rent and groceries. The next 30% covers fun spending, like dining out. The remaining 20% is locked into the future you category, reserved for savings, investments, and debt repayment. Treating this savings bucket as a mandatory expense builds the psychological habit of consistently paying yourself first. Organizing capital into these predetermined percentages strips emotion out of daily budgeting and replaces it with mathematical discipline. To maintain that discipline, you will run a monthly check-in to compare your actual spending against this new 50-30-20 target. Let's say you review your numbers and see your fundamental needs have bloated to 59%. That overflow directly crushes your future you bucket down to a critical 11%. To fix this imbalance, ask 3 diagnostic questions. Do I actually need this? Can I live with less? Can I get it for less? Apply these questions to find immediate fixes. You can call utility providers to negotiate lower rates, or swap out high-end grocery stores for budget alternatives to rapidly pull that 59%